In this lesson, we're going to talk about mortgage affordability. So, mortgage affordability allows you to determine if you have too much debt. And the thing that we use to determine this is called the gross debt service ratio, so GDSR. Basically, this ratio determines how much of your monthly income is going towards some common fixed expenses. So the GDSR is equal to the monthly mortgage payment plus the monthly heating payment plus the monthly property tax. And we divide all of those by the monthly income and then times it by 100 to get a percentage. Now, if that percentage is higher than 32%, the bank will not give you a mortgage. It means that this mortgage is going to cost you too much money and you won't have enough of your income left to pay for other expenses. So, the key thing when using this formula is to make sure that all of these amounts are monthly. So we want all monthly amounts. You can also do it using all annual amounts, but monthly is much more common. So in example 1, it says Junior has bought a home and is paying $752 per month for his mortgage. He pays $68 per month for heating and $101 per month for property tax. He makes $2,953 per month. Determine his GDSR, gross debt service ratio. So his GDSR is equal to, remember we need monthly mortgage payment, monthly heating, monthly property tax. All of these are already in months. So 752 per month, 68 per month, and 101 per month. So I can add those together. So 752 plus 68 plus 101. And then on the bottom, we need his monthly income. So $2,953. Once we do that division, we're then going to multiply by 100. So in your calculator, make sure you include those brackets. So 752 plus 68 plus 101 divided by $2,953 equals that, and then times 100. So we get 31.2%. So this is an acceptable GDSR because it's under 32%. So this means his mortgage payment, his property tax, and his heating is less than 32% of his monthly income. Now, as I've mentioned, be careful. You want to make sure that these values are always monthly. Remember, if they're not, you can change them. If it's given to you in an annual rate, you can change it by dividing by 12. So, in example 2, Keewatin is planning on purchasing a home. The monthly mortgage payment will be $1,015, and the monthly heating cost will be $245. The annual property tax will be $3,250. So before you do anything, you need to change this annual amount into a monthly amount. So you're going to take this amount, $3,250, and you're going to divide it by 12. That gives you monthly property taxes of $270.83. Calculate Keewatin's gross debt service ratio if his gross monthly income is $4,800. So GDSR is equal to the mortgage plus heating plus property tax, all divided by income, and then times 100. So in your calculator, again, make sure you put these in brackets. So all of those, oops, I missed a 2, 270 and 83 cents, and then divided by his income, and times 100. So 31.9%. And in part B, it says explain whether Keewatin will be approved for the mortgage. He will be approved for the mortgage if this percent is under 32. So yes, he will be approved because his GDSR is under 32%. If the GDSR is over 32%, you won't be approved for the mortgage. You would need a house that costs less money per month. So that is GDSR.